ever had. I don't want to brag. Welcome back to my channel, Key Babies and Key Poppies. My name is Keisha, and on here you'll see me do product reviews for Amazon, different companies, Shein hauls, any fashion house, any kind of haul, X Plus wear, dressing. I'm here to do all that, okay, including vlogs for you. And even challenges, you know what I'm saying? I love doing crumble cookie reviews and stuff like that. Anyways, today is the review day. So I have a package that came in. A company wanted me to review their products, and it's called SEXYWG, and it's on Amazon. I'm going to pop it up on the screen right here somewhere. And this is stuff that they sell on Amazon. It's for a lot of ladies that want to suck in their little fat rolls if you don't like showing them and stuff like that. So I was like, I have done shapewear on my channel, like, to help promote businesses, but I don't like to wear shapewear often because, one, it's not comfortable when I've got clothes on and it doesn't shake. When you have a special walk, which I'm going to show y'all in a second, when you have a walk and you have some type of jiggle, you want to keep it jiggling. You don't want to keep it stiff. Or you might not have enough. So this company right here, if you want to enhance your body without getting surgery, they got all that for you, baby. So I got to pick an item. So I picked the item. Me, I always got to do some spectacular stuff. You just never know what you're going to get for QueenKey83. You just never know. So this is what they sent me. This is like an enhancement. And it's going to suck in. So I'm going to show y'all, this is how I look before I put it on. And I wanted to put this outfit on, which is outfit. It's really cute myself. I can't. I like it. See the jiggle, jiggle? Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Jiggle, 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 jiggle. I like this. I don't see nothing wrong with it. But if I wanted to be different and I wanted to enhance, like, maybe my hips, maybe make my little booty like stick out a little bit more, this is like what I would try on. So let me go ahead and try it on. I guess this is for the left and the right. This is for, I look like it's for your thighs. It looks like it's for this. Okay. And this is the bodysuit. Well, it's not even a bodysuit. This is what it looks like. And it's gonna suck in. And this is in a 2X because I didn't know, like, how it would fit. So we're gonna try it on and see. I would wear this by itself, y'all. Y'all know if anybody know me, I love to show my skin. And this is something like I would like literally like wear outside with a shirt that matches this. With some panties on, of course, some black ones. But you put it in the pockets. So they have pockets inside of here. I'm trying to show y'all. They have like the pockets inside of the thing. And that's where you put the left and the right at. So this is where you put this in it. So let me go ahead and take care of this. And I'll be back with you in a second. Okay, this shows you instructions. Can I even? I'm going to have to pop it up on the, there you go, you can see it. It shows instructions on how to take care of it. And this is what it looks like when you get their tag. Alright, so this is, you have to excuse how long the shorts is. Because the shorts are long. Now, before when I did this, I had like a roll in the front. Y'all see it? I had my little roll in the front. And I was shaking it up a little bit in the back. Y'all, that's what I was doing. That right there. So this is how I look now. So I did put them in on the side. It makes your hips wider. This most definitely, I wouldn't wear it with this, or I could probably tuck these up because I should have wore something else. But excuse that part. Y'all see what it did to my stomach? It flattened that stomach down. Do y'all see what it did to my stomach? Okay, I ain't mad at it at all. And it made me have like some wider hips, you know? That's what it did. I'm looking at myself in the mirror down here, y'all. It ain't bad at all. So if you like this shapewear, like I said, they have other shapewear on Amazon that you can purchase. And don't forget to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell another friend, to tell her friend, for she could tell her mama tell her friends that they got this shapewear for y'all ladies. I don't know why my shirt seems like it's just like, let me zip this up, like it's showing too much. And I love to show skin, but it flatten that stomach down, okay? This is how I would look if I didn't have jelly rolls. So now I see why women get surgery on their stomach. Okay. But I'm glad what God blessed me with. I work on it. But it give you like that hourglass shape. Do y'all notice that? Y'all see that? Yeah, that's what kind of give me that shape. If you like what you see, go ahead and if you like what you see, go ahead and shop with them on Amazon, okay? And like I said, tell a friend to tell a friend. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hopefully y'all like this video. It is short because I gotta get straight to it, baby. And I'd rather try the product on so y'all can see how it look than me sit there and just show it up in the air so y'all don't understand it. Like, what is that? I'm going to try the stuff on. So, that hourglass shape. Okay, let me get out the mirror, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, y'all, I'm out. Hopefully you love this review and you subscribe to my channel.